Welcome to PromagEnviro.com. The model code creation for the Walchem WDEC dual input electrodeless conductivity controllers. The model code begins with WDEC 410. The first selection is voltage. The number 1 represents 100 to 240 volt, pre-wired with 120 volt plug. The number 5 represents 100 to 240 volt conduit. The next selection is output. The letter N represents no 4 to 20 milliamp data output. The number 4 represents one isolated 4 to 20 milliamp output. The number 2 represents two isolated 4 to 20 milliamp outputs. The next selection is sensor. The letter N represents no sensor. You must select two sensors in alphabetical order for the WDEC. The letters A to D represent the range of 0.1 to 1 millisiemens per centimeter. The letter A represents submersion peak sensor. The letter B represents inline peak sensor with stainless steel adapter. The letter C represents submersion CPVC sensor. The letter D represents inline CPVC sensor with CPVC adapter. The letters E to H represent the range of 1 to 10 millisiemens per centimeter. The letter E represents submersion peak sensor. The letter F represents inline peak sensor with stainless steel adapter. The letter G represents submersion CPVC sensor. The letter H represents inline CPVC sensor with CPVC adapter. The letter I to L represent the range of 10 to 100 millisiemens per centimeter. The letter I represents submersion peak sensor. The letter J represents inline peak sensor with SS adapter. The letter K represents submersion CPVC sensor. The letter L represents inline CPVC sensor with CPVC adapter. The letters M, O, P, and Q represent the range of 100 to 1000 millisiemens per centimeter. The letter M represents submersion peak sensor. The letter O represents inline peak sensor with stainless steel adapter. The letter P represents submersion CPVC sensor. The letter Q represents inline CPVC sensor with CPVC adapter. The next selection is USB. The USB feature comes standard. The U represents integrated data logging, event reset logging, and configuration file import and export. Free shipping is available through our website at PromagEnviro.com.